की वंदनमु।
सत श्री अकाल।
जय श्री कृष्णा। जय जिनेंद्र। हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद।
और हमारे सारे फीचर मतलब बोले हम लोग बोला बोला नीसाम बोला।
हम आ गए हैं बंधुजान।
बोला तो आपके प्यारे महिमा गद्दारे मैसल फालतू बाबा
एंड माइसेल्फ फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो टोटली मस्तानी।
यस बंधुजन, ये शो है इतना धांसू कि सुनने वालों की आइस में और कुछ नहीं, ओनली होगी खुशी के आंसू।
वाह वाह वाह।
हेलो वेरी गुड। ऑन द फ्लाई।
ये शो है इतना झकास, सुनने वाले सभी बोलेंगे एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास।
मैं बंधुजन आपके प्यारे भाई से फालतू बाबा
एंड भाई से फालतू रानी
आपके लेके आगे एक और थर्सडे के लिए एकदम शो मस्तानी बंधुजन। आप सुन के आप बोल हो जाके दंग फॉर श्योर बंधुजन।
हाँ तो हो जाओ हमारे संग बंधुजन।
वही बोला ना दंग बंधुजन। अरे यार देखो बंधुजन, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग हम लोग राइम कर रहे हैं।
राइम।
या वी हैव राइमिंग फॉर नो सीजन बंधुजन।
राइमिंग
फॉर नो रीजन।
Rhyming for no reason.
And in any season.
Because it is fun and happiness का always season.
That's true बंधुजन। Spring, summer हो या winter.
सुनिएगा जरूर हमारे बैंटर।
That's true बंधुजन।
Yeah.
Well, right now बंधुजन आप सोच रहे हैं क्या ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? What देखो बंधुजन, हम लोग ना we are like हम लोग थूक लगा के शेक्सपियर जाए, मतलब हम लोग किसी भी पोएम को लेके हम लोग कर देंगे उसको ना
क्या
माँ बहन मतलब वेरी नाइस वेल बंधुजन देखो आज हमने एकदम डिफरेंट शो लेके आए आपके पास। इट्स कॉल्ड टकाटक थर्सडेज बट टकाटक विद अ ट्विस्ट।
टकाटक विद अ ट्विस्ट।
यस एंड द ट्विस्ट इज
लाइक टकाटक विद अ ट्विस्ट। That's right. That's what I was saying.
Actually.
Twist.
Only too much of a twist. But anyway, we got to bring in a twist for the judges. We got to limerick Thursdays now. देखो हम लोग आपको देंगे लिमरिक्स। हम लोग बहुत सोच समझ के नहीं सोच ना समझ के हमने लिखा है आपके लिए। आपको you should bring out the rhyme in it.
Right, exactly. So आपके लिए बहुत easy रहेगा बंधुजन। What we're going to do is we're going to read out a few lines for you, and you have to like find a word that rhymes.
You got to complete the limerick.
You have to complete the limerick. Like for instance, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the
dash, and you must say clock.
Yeah.
And of course, banajan,
hickory dickory dock, Altu lost his sock. See?
Like that.
Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what
you are.
Exactly.
How I wonder how far you are.
That's not too far apart.
Yeah.
Well, right now you might wonder, oh my God, this is like, totally, it seems very difficult. It is not. All I request you guys is come here and have fun. But that's all, Bhanujan. Call it now, here this number, 40891279. 4089121247 पे call करके you can come and have a lot of fun here, Bhanujan.
Exactly, Bhanujan.
And yes, there is no right or wrong answer to the next best part is you got to rhyme, that's all. Yeah.
That's all. And it's like something, of course, if it doesn't rhyme, we will tell you it won't rhyme. Hello. Yeah. Everybody in the Bay Area can tell. Even you can tell. It has to rhyming. अगर आपको मालूम नहीं है. And this one is a great one when you have little ones with you, right?
That is wonderful.
They are so good at coming up with rhymes. And no, you cannot. Suppose we say ding dong bell. Pussy's in the well, and who put her in? Little Tommy Tin. You cannot like say the actual nursery rhyme.
No.
You will have to come up with something more creative.
Yeah.
So we'll try to give you as much as possible. We'll give you all the lines of the limerick. You just have to fill in the last word.
That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. And for that, you got to give us a call 4089127479. And आज फालतू अपने बोरिया में क्या है?
आज अपने बोरिया में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं आलतू।
जैसे कि
इतने सारे गिफ्ट सर्टिफिकेट्स हैं हमारे पास।
जैसे कि क्या?
जैसे कि बॉम्बे टू गोवा रेस्टोरेंट से गिफ्ट वाउचर्स हैं।
Oh my God!
हाँ, फिर हमारे पास ये भी है, हमारे पास चिल्ड्रंस डिस्कवरी म्यूजिक के पासेस हैं। That's right, family pack of tickets from the Children's Discovery Museum, especially parents who have kids. This is your golden opportunity because summer में उनके इतने सारे wonderful programs हैं. So you definitely want to go check it out.
Now that place is an interesting place to go, guys.
Right, exactly, Bhanujan.
बड़े हो या छोटे हो, you definitely find it to be amusing.
Yes, and of course we also have gifts from our wonderful sponsor, Jai Bharat Restaurant, who are located all the way in Newark, California. And then we also have movie tickets. Da, 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 da.
Oh my God, we got
From our
movie
wonderful
tickets.
sponsor, Dr. Rita Midwalker of Unismile Dental.
Woohoo!
And उसके अलावा रेडियो डी हॉडीज के स्पेशल गिफ्ट्स भी हैं. क्या हाल तू? क्वाइट क्यों हो गया?
नहीं, मैं बस सोच रहा था.
तू सोच रहा?
मैं अपना अंदर की शेक्सपियर को जगा रहा था मैं.
हाँ, तू सो मच जरा बताओ आलतू by Jagoff your Shakespeare. So we want you full-fledged Altu style right here on the show, right?
We are not. Kavali?
Yeah.
I was like,
We don't want you to get lost in your Shakespearean world, Altu.
No.
We need Altu Baba world right now.
Romeo and Juliet.
हाँ.
Oh my God. Are you here yet?
तो आपको कॉल करना है ना, आपको हमारे साथ यहाँ पे शामिल होना है. 408-912-2479. Now here is the best part. Today's show is something that is a totally unique and new concept.
Well, excuse me. What is this? I don't like this thing of yours.
Yeah, hello?
What is today's show? Every show is unique of ours, right?
Oh, sorry. Every show of ours is unique. That's right. I totally forgot about that.
Yeah.
तो आपको जब आप कॉल करोगे and आप कोई लिमिक complete करोगे, for instance, if you rhyme something with us and you are going to complete that particular rhyme with us, you may not remember the entire rhyme. So all you need to do is go on our Facebook page and write on that particular word that you gave us. Make a small 2-line, like a limerick on our Facebook page, and it has to be something related to the Pam Pam show.
Very much related to the Pam Pam show, please.
It has to be related to the Pam Pam show. And it'll post it on Facebook, facebook.com/Radio Hotties. Now, Badajan, what we're going to do is we're going to open up our lines. We have to tell you how you reach your Mahima Pyares oh so fine. The studio 9 is 408-912-2479.
Oh, that's very good, Rimrik.
See?
अपने अंदर के शेर को जगाओ, मतलब शायर को जगाओ.
हाँ.
और हमें फोन करो अभी के अभी.
हाँ.
And in the meanwhile, Badajan, आज तो हम आपको अच्छे गाने लगाएंगे.
हाँ.
Because Thursday है ना?
अच्छे
Thursday is like almost one day before the weekend यार.
हाँ.
तो क्या मतलब?
तो कैसे वाले गाने लगाएंगे आप तो?
अच्छे गाने यार.
नया मसाला पिक्स वाले गाने?
नया मसल में इतने सारे आए हैं ना.
हाँ.
हाँ.
तो एक तुम्हारे किस्म का धासु गाना लगाया क्या?
I like it when you say तुम्हारे किस्म का धासु गाना, because मेरे किस्म का धासु गाना मतलब all our bundles love it.
Total dick-chack style का गाना. सुनिएगा बच्चन from the movie Houseful 3. This is your first song coming your way. प्यार की माँ की.
ये तो एकदम डिवोशनल सॉन्ग है.
पूजा करनी है, राइट?
कभी लिंक करे नैना से लिंक करे कभी लिंक करे नैना से लिंक करे चाँद को चढ़ गई है चर्बी सूरज भी लगा पकने अरबी इस मौसम वाले मौसम में इंग्लिश वाली पप्पी प्यार की माँ की आज से पूजा करनी है प्यार की माँ की आज से पूजा करनी है प्यार की माँ की आज से पूजा करनी है प्यार की माँ की जब तू बन जाए जो मेरे डियर छोटे बेबी की तरह मैं करूँ तेरे केयर लव के लिए जब दोनों राजी तेरी क्यों बुलाए तेरे माँ में गाजी एक कॉल लेना तेनू लव दी कसम तू चिपक गई मुझे जैसा च्युइंगम बेबी सारा इश्क पे कर तेरा है तू मेरी ब्रेड मैं तेरा जैम बाबा ब्लैक शीप हैवी व्हेन यू गुड दिल सदा हो या तेरी गलियों में गुल अब तो जाके चल भी went up the hill baby आज लव बाकी में करते हैं chill ओ मेरी जान my heart beats for you baby now come make me unrated ओ मेरी जान just keep the fun now flowing no stopping and no slowing चांद को चढ़ गई है चढ़ती सूरज भी लगा पकने अरबी इस मौसम वाले मौसम में इंग्लिश वाली पप्पी प्यार की माँ की आज से पूजा करनी है प्यार की माँ की आज से पूजा करनी है प्यार की माँ की आज से पूजा करनी है प्यार की माँ की
बात तो नहीं.
हाँ तो बाबा
जग गया.
क्या जग गया?
गाना डाल के ना.
तो बच्चन आपको हम बताते दें कि आज totally poetic Thursdays होने वाला है.
Yes, brother, totally. I thought, you know why I was thinking Poetic Thursdays?
हाँ.
You know, I think everybody has a poet in them.
हाँ.
सबके अंदर एक शायर सोया हुआ है.
अच्छा?
उसको जगाने का आज हमारा मकसद है.
अरे वाह.
वो गाना ना मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर अजनबी.
ऐ हंसी.
ओह सॉरी. जब से तुमने फेंका मुझ पे पत्थर. ओह सॉरी व्हाट? Sorry, patri ho gayi. I'm sorry, what song?
Oh God, that's so horrible.
Anyway, okay, the meaning of the song is the fact that the person was not a shire, but inside he was there. But once he saw love and beauty, he became a poet. But my point is, without seeing love and beauty, if you can become a poet, can't you immediately start seeing love and beauty in life? You know what I'm saying? See, if you look at a point of something of beauty, right, you'll become a poet. When you become a poet, you can automatically see a beauty also, right?
Right, absolutely.
It should work both ways, correct? There you go. So I brought this thing for you guys. It's called as Limerick Thursdays.
That is right.
It is a variation of Takatic Thursdays. Now, if you want to know technically what exactly...
You're going to be very scared because a lot of people may not be able to rhyme.
It's very simple, yaar.
It's like this, yeah, Bandhujan. It's so simple. We're not going to ask you to give up a whole line of the song. I mean, of the limerick.
No.
We're going to just ask you, like for instance, let's see.
Why don't you ask me something?
Okay. 1 2 का 4.
Okay.
4 2 का 1. Altu faltu no. This is the way entertainment is
done.
There you go.
1 2 ka 4, 4 2 ka 1, altu faltu no.
This is how entertainment is done.
Yeah. This is a paragraph show. It is also
fun. That's it.
That is all.
Why did you write that? I was writing that right now. Oh, what a fun.
Excuse me. By the time you take time writing, I already thought of it.
Oh, God.
You know, I think in speed of thought. Not even light.
You have to think in the speed of thought. You have to, right? Well, either way.
You can't think the speed of light though, right?
Yeah.
Think about it.
Yeah, that's true. Well, if you're wondering, how do we come up with these themes and what are Tera themes? It's not Tera. Hello.
We have a beautiful studio here.
Yeah.
And we have an office outside.
Yeah.
And we have people actually working over here. Because we see them working, we feel bad we will start working. So obviously we have to put our part of it, right? So here you go. So we come with all kinds of lyrics. The first lyric I'm going to read out right now, okay? There was a young man from Savannah.
Savannah.
There was a young man from Savannah who died in a curious manner. Who wilted a hole in the telephone pole and electrified his...
No!
Okay, sorry. This is not going to work. We'll do something else. We'll do something else, okay?
What?
We'll do something else.
Oh, God.
Okay. We'll do something else. Some other one.
God.
That should not be applied. That should not be used on air, right? Yeah, correct.
Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give the number out to the studio. 408-912-2479. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लीजिए 408-912-2479.
Okay, next limerick. Okay, here you go. There was a young lady named Bright. Are you listening?
Yeah.
Who traveled much faster than light.
Aye.
She set out one day in a relative way and came back the previous dash.
Night. Whoa!
Was it for you?
Oh, sorry.
Was it for you? No, seriously. Was it limerick for you?
No.
Okay, you have to take the price.
No.
Enjoy.
No. But see, this is that easy, okay?
Oh my God.
408-912-2479.
With great difficulty that is lyrics now, you come back and give me all this stuff.
So you know how much of a poetess I am. I can make it up like that.
Okay, fine. Here's what you're going to do. Now, if our bandhu calls, depending on who asks the limerick of our bandhus, the other person is going to help them, okay?
Okay.
That's the deal.
The other person is going to help them.
Yeah, suppose I give the limerick out to our bandhu. If they're not able to get it, you should help them.
Okay.
If you give out a limerick, if they're not able to get it, I'll help them.
Okay.
Because we have poets in us, right?
That's right. So, आपका इस number पे call करना है 408-912-2479. Baljan, you have to call in on this number 408-912-2479. Number तो चालू है ना आलतू?
नंबर भी चालू है, तू भी चालू है. सबको मालूम है.
मैं ऐसे वाली चालू नहीं बोल रही हूँ.
You're on roll right now, Fatrani.
Yes, exactly.
समझा कर darling.
हाँ, तो call कीजिएगा 408-912-2479. This is the number for you to call into the studio, Bandhujan. Altu. next limerick. Hello.
Faltu Rani,
Pay attention.
we will give the limerick.
Huh.
But first of all,
Huh.
we're going to give them.
A break, right?
That's so sweet of you.
Yes, we're going to go into a quick break, but जब we'll come back and take your calls 408-912-2479 पे कॉल कीजिएगा. हम जाएंगे एक ब्रेक की ओर. AM invites you to a Shore Media Instant Karma and Hemant Dhingra presentation of Samnidhi Chauhan and Ayushmann Khurrana live in concert July 17th at the City National. Hey Bandajan, are you watching Bandajan? I am going to watch Bandajan.
It's a ringtone.
What?
It's coming. No.
Hello, hi, welcome to Pamela. Who is it? Hello, hi, sir. Welcome to Pamela. What's your name, sir? Janish. Could you hold on the line, please? After the break, we will take on the line. Thank you.
There was a man from Nantucket who
Nant.
kept all his Nantucket who kept his cash in a bucket, but his daughter named Nan ran away with the van, and for the bucket,
What?
Nantucket.
Yeah.
What?
There was a man from Nantucket,
That's too long a limerick.
Nantucket, Nantucket,
Nantucket. Nantucket is a place.
Nantucket, and for the bucket, Nantucket.
Oh God, this is
It's a pun.
horrible. It is not funny. It's punny.
There was a man from Nantucket who kept all his cash in a bucket, but his daughter named Nan ran away with the man, and for the bucket, Nantucket.
Hot and Hawking Drive Time Prime Time Jam.
With your pyara Altu Baba.
And your darling प्यारी फालतू रानी.
Also, let's go up on the waiting line.
नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. पैम पैम मेघोनी जी.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Pam Pam.
You're going to say Pam Pam. What is the major deliberate pause about?
I know this caller. This caller is second time caller to our show, correct?
Who is this?
No, I guess this is my first time. I might have called, but I probably did not ever get through to you guys.
Ah.
What's your name?
What's your name, sir?
I'm Ganesh Pandey.
Gyanesh
Ganesh Pandey. Arre
Wait,
wah.
I can't hear you very clearly. Can you say Pam Pam, please?
Pam Pam.
There you go.
Oh, now loud and clear.
तो ज्ञानेश जी क्या आप सीटी मारते हो?
क्या मारता हूँ?
सीटी.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैंने सीटी बहुत बार कोशिश करी लाइफ में कि कभी डेवलप म्यूजिकल टाइप वो थोड़ी सी कर लेता हूँ, लेकिन जो वो प्रॉपर छेड़ने के लिए सीटी मारी जाती है वो नहीं आती.
Exactly. You know, I'm telling you, Faltu is a very decent fellow. He's not
मेरे
like
पास आ
me.
जाओ, मैं आपको लेसन दूंगी.
ये तो है ना एकदम फालतू प्लीज. रेडियो पे सीखने में आ जाता, रोड पे मारा जाता है.
वो क्या करते हैं ना, वो टंग को टिप ऑफ द टंग को टर्न करके फिर फिंगर उस पे लगा के करते हैं. तो आई नो द होल सॉर्ट ऑफ मैकेनिक्स ऑफ इट, लेकिन अपने से कोई पता नहीं.
नहीं, don't worry, it's fine. कभी मुश्किल है. It's called tongue twister anyways. Okay, so by the way, I was wanted to establish to our Faltu over here is the fact that you're a very decent fellow, unlike me and Faltu. Yeah, I did see. Look at his voice में dignity है, dignified voice है इनका. हाँ, तो आप ready है क्या limerick challenge लेने के लिए हमारे साथ? Thursday limericks.
हाँ सर, मैं करता हूँ.
Very good.
ट्राई करते हैं.
I like it. Faltu,
हाँ.
तू देगी?
नहीं, मैं क्या दूँ? तू दे यार तू.
मैं दूँ?
हाँ.
Okay, देखो यार, मतलब आपको बस एक. There once was a lepidus dot. Okay? There was once a leopardess called Dot, who indignantly answered, "I'll not. The gents are impressed with the way that I'm dressed. I wouldn't change even one dash."
अरे बाप रे, इतना
Leopardess.
अंग्रेजी हम जीवन में नहीं पढ़ेंगे.
जीवन.
You'll have to repeat that.
जीवन से याद आया. Okay.
हाँ.
So there once was a leopardess, Dot.
Who indignantly answered,
"I'll not.
The gents are impressed with the way that I'm dressed. I wouldn't change even one."
Dash.
Like dot, one spot.
Wow! You got it, dude!
देखा?
He
कितना
got
easy
it!
है.
Yes, he said spot.
Oh my God! सही बोला आपने. स्पॉट पांडे जी, देखा, इससे इजी कुछ नहीं होता. अगर काश मुझे ऐसा इजी वाला मिल जाता मैंने इंग्लिश में, तो
हाँ, मैंने देखा तूने पहले क्या लिखा था. Oh
क्या
my
लिखा था?
God! वो first one, electrified.
Don't talk about it. वो फ्लो में आ गया था. But doesn't matter. लेकिन ये अच्छा है. ये it's a good spot. The spot is right one actually.
Yeah.
Hey, congratulations. Yeah.
मैं लखनऊ से हूँ.
कहीं पे तो
बहुत
ये-
जबरदस्त पकड़ा.
Thank you very much sir. मुझे मालूम है आपके अंदर वो है.
क्या
वो शायर छुपा हुआ है अंदर.
शायरी बनती है.
Yeah, he's a closet शायर. Very good.
वैसे आप लिखते हो क्या? शायरी.
Excuse me, one second. लिखते हो क्या? लिखते हो, of course लिखते हैं.
हाँ बोलिए.
शायरी तो नहीं, लेकिन हाँ थोड़ा बहुत फिक्शन नॉन फिक्शन थोड़ा बहुत लिखता हूँ.
हाँ,
वाओ.
मैंने भी लिखा था. मैं तो बहुत लिखता था actually स्कूल में. हाँ.
क्या?
लेट आने की चिट्ठी. I am late because bus got delayed.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And I just read a whole one essay about it actually.
I can do shows about the excuses that you used to come up with.
Excuse
So
me, the excuses are good.
stop.
Okay.
Don't even get started.
सर जी इसको मालूम नहीं है. कभी कभार हम एक्सक्यूज देना कितना मुश्किल मालूम है.
आपको ना ज्ञानेश
बहाना बनाना कितना डिफिकल्ट मालूम है तेरे को.
हाँ
बिल्कुल.
हाँ. Exactly. Thank you very much
आलतू
sir.
के लिए नहीं है.
Yeah.
आलतू के ऐसे बाएं हाथ का खेल.
You guys should do some series of some kind of an excuses 101 or something like that.
Done. अरे I'll tell you what. If anybody want excuse, give a call right now.
See, the thing is, Altu will not go public with it.
मतलब वो it's something like Rupa Kendra Banyan, you know.
क्या अंदर की बात
अंदर की
है.
बात है. Exactly. But thank you so much. आप तो first time कॉल हमारे लिए. Very good यार.
अरे वाह यार, first time caller.
Thank you both of you. You know, your shows, I've been listening to it for a few days. I moved to Bay Area not very long ago, and your shows are real nice in the sense they kind of take the weight off my head every time I listen to your show. And another day I was actually listening to your show, and you guys were actually onto something very serious, and still you were able to kind of keep it sort of pretty decent and light, and still sort of stick to some point. And I was really impressed. So that was really nice. Cool.
Oh wow.
So you guys are doing a great job.
Don't stop. अरे आप फ्लो में तो प्लीज कंटिन्यू करो यार. कभी अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि हमारे अच्छे बोलने वाले को सुनते हैं. कभी कभार सुनते हैं हम लोग.
And thankfully उन्होंने वो serious वाली बात भी बोल दी.
Very good.
हाँ, but thank you so much.
Hey, I tell you one thing, sir. मैं बोलता हूँ. We seriously think everything is wonderful in the world.
मुझे लगा आप बोलोगे we seriously think, and that was the end of the day.
No, I wanted to end it by put a comma there. But you know, I thought I had to complete also because okay, I'm happy I had to complete something. My own sentence I got to complete also.
Yeah.
क्या कहते हैं
He
यार?
was expecting me to complete it as usual. He thinks I always want the last word, but
So I give it to her sometimes.
yeah, but I didn't. I surprised him today. So, लेकिन आप welcome to the Bay Area. Since you said that you just moved to the BayArea.
Hey, by the way, you moved to the most happening part of the world actually.
Yes, exactly.
Did you know that?
आपको मालूम है यहाँ पे real estate इतना expensive क्यों है?
बाप रे, उसकी तो बस बात ना करिए.
मालूम है क्यों है?
But do you know why?
Do you know why? कुछ serious बात हो जाए.
Yeah, let's talk something serious.
I thought because there's so many of these tech companies which are paying a lot, and probably because there are some of the smartest people on the planet around here, and that's probably driving up the prices.
Could be, but our reading of
तभी even New York या Wall Street
सभी जगह पे tech companies तो everywhere have branches everywhere. The actual fact is
weather, sunshine.
हाँ, weather, sunshine भी ठीक है, but you know the actual reason is because the Pam Pam show goes on air over here, ना?
I was so.
you walked into the rhino. But thank you for that, actually. We got opportunity to plug our show. Wow, great. But again, thank you so much, Pandey ji. You're the best. Give us good. आपने Facebook पे हमें like किया कि नहीं?
हाँ, ज्ञानेश पांडे जी. हाँ.
I think so. I have. एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए. I'll check it again.
facebook.com/radio-dhotties वहाँ पे जाइएगा and please do like the page and वहाँ पे आप पोस्ट कर सकते हो कि आपने जो हमारे साथ शेयर किया and जो अच्छी बातें आपने बोली प्लीज वहाँ पे लगा दीजिएगा. facebook.com/radio-dhotties. We have a welcome gift for you from one of our kind sponsors and you did get your answer right, so you do get a wonderful gift certificate from kind sponsor Bombay to Goa.
That's true, and I'm going to dedicate a song only for you, Pandey ji.
Yes, just for you.
Thank you guys.
Just for you.
Thank you so much.
Have a wonderful day.
थैंक यू सो मच. तो पांडे जी अगर आपको सीटी बजानी नहीं आती है तो क्या हुआ, हम आपके लिए बजा लेंगे. क्या हुआ तो आगे
मालूम नहीं क्या हो रहा है. तेरे पॉइंट पे अटक रहा है.
नहीं वो क्या है ना, वो कह रहे हैं कि तुम पांडे जी सीटी कितना पुराना गाना है वो क्यों बजाते हो, कोई बास वाला गाना लगाओ.
बास वाला गाना पहली गाना है बड़ा
बास नहीं, बेस.
बास वाला गाना,
बेस वाला गाना लगाओ.
नहीं
क्या
चाहिए.
करा फिर से ये गाना, चलो ठीक है लगाओ.
ये अच्छा गाना है यार.
कहते हैं करते हैं जो मर्जी, सुनते नहीं है किसी की अर्जी, कहते हैं करते हैं जो मर्जी, सुनते नहीं है किसी की अर्जी, करते नहीं हम रेगुलर ड्यूटी. थाना में बैठे ऑन ड्यूटी, बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी. थाना में बैठे ऑन ड्यूटी, बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी. पांडे जी सीटी बजावे जी सीटी, पांडे जी सीटी बजावे ऑन ड्यूटी. आदत बड़ी नस पीटी, बजावे हाय बजावे हाय ओ शरा बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी.
Dedicated to Mr. Ganesh Pandey.
मुन्नी के सब रस ले लिया रे, दीवाने रसिया.
सीटी बजा के
रे उड़ जावे जो चिड़िया, उड़ जावे चिड़िया, उड़ जावे चिड़िया, उड़ जावे चिड़िया. तंग करना हमका पांडे जी है ऑन ड्यूटी.
ताने में
कहते हमको आचार्य प्यारी, कहते हमको जाने क्या क्या सांग रचाए, राजकुमारी कहते हमको. हंसते नहीं है कोई कांड करके भैया, हंसते नहीं है कोई कांड करके, मर्जी जो देखो डिमांड करके.
ताना में आए गाना ड्यूटी बजाए हैं.
आते हैं जब पांडे राजा, बजता है तब सुर में बाजा. वो चोर उचक के डर से बोले, उसके बदले मौत ही आजा. जचते नहीं है वैसे रार कर दे, जचते नहीं है वैसे रार कर दे. अरे बोले से दुश्मन व्यवहार कर दे. थाना
में आज ऑन ड्यूटी बजा रहे हाय हाय हाय. सीटी तगाए हाय बजाए हाय पांडे जी सीटी. मैं तो कह पांडे जी, I have like a song dedicated only for you. And all the Pandejis I know in my life.
Yes, we also have another darling Bandhu called
That
Pandey.
particular Pandey, right?
हाँ.
Who we know, Satish
Yeah.
Pandey.
हाँ.
I'm not going to name Satish Pandey ji.
And
आप तो
also,
सही सेम टू सेम ये हो यार.
हाँ,
सच्ची में.
क्या seriously यार, no kidding.
उनका सीटी पर का अंदाज देखा तूने?
हाँ,
हाय, हाय.
अरे उनकी सीढ़ी में जाने का अंदाज छोड़ो, उनकी बीवी को देखा है?
पूनम.
पूनम, क्या मस्त बंधु है बॉस वो.
मतलब बस मतलब एक देखो.
What?
My nice person. Oh my God, very serious.
गंदर आदमी है seriously.
मेरा सोच घट रहा है.
मैंने बोला इतनी अच्छी बंधु है हमारी.
तुम बड़ा देखा क्या बोल रहा है ऐसे. But anyway, Pandey ji, congratulations on your wife. But anyways, right now,
हाँ.
let's come back to our life.
That's right. Ah,
कभी कमेंट नहीं किया था डार्लिंग.
So forget all your strife, Bandhujan.
Yeah.
Now,
Call your kiddos and your wife to
Oh,
take part in the next Limerick challenge.
that is right. Call in 408-912-2479.
Are you ready?
Yes.
408-912-2479. But Jan, start dialing that number right now.
408-912-2479. In the meanwhile, I want to give a shout out to all our bandhus who are on Facebook. Somebody asked us, are we on, which part of the world are we in? Hello? America mein hai bhai. We're in America, we're in California.
We are in the best part of the world right now, Pranita.
Exactly.
And if you want to get to the best part of the world, it's very important for you to actually tune into the best part of the world.
Huh.
And the best part of your life also, by the way.
Exactly.
The
And
Pan Time Show.
it doesn't matter which part of the world you're in.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Right now, we have listeners already tuned in from, parts like South Korea,
Africa,
Africa,
Afghanistan, Pakistan,
And-
India.
India.
Yeah, Australia
Most
and New
importantly,
Zealand.
India, Bollywood, by the way. First shout out going on Ranveer. Thank you so much, dude. I just got your tweet that day.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Ranveer or Ranbir?
Who?
Ranbir is not a
Ranveer.
Ranveer Singh.
No.
Then?
Rathod.
Oh God, you are misleading Bandhus here, Altu Baba.
Now you'll say, if I say Priyanka told me hello on Snapchat, you'll say something else.
Wait, is this Priyanka Bogavarapu?
How do you know that? Hey, I'm not first name with them. Can't help it.
Yeah. Well, Bandhujan, you're listening to the hottest hockey drive time prime time jam. Bam bam right here on Desi 1170 AM. And आज हम लोग आपके साथ Limerick Thursday कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे हम लोग hey, what? It doesn't always have to be ta-ta, okay? It always have to be tha-tha, okay? Whatever we do, we said terrific
Hello.
Thursday. कोई और copy करके बात है terrific Thursday.
I know, yeah. That's a high title, you see.
Seriously.
But anyways, I take it in a positive way because Mahimaji told me once.
Huh.
She said, imitation is the best form of flattery.
Huh.
So I think the person is flattering us by actually, copying what we're doing.
Yes.
So, unko bhi jina mangta hai kabhi kabhar. I just let them go. Let them go.
Right.
Yeah,
Exactly.
these are the kind of people who actually, guys, if you don't know about my thing, myself, Faltoni, we write.
Right.
We have pseudo pen names also.
Yes, but
we go by Anonymous. And
Anon. I go
Anons.
by just Anon.
Yeah, and I go by unknown author sometimes. So feel free, use it in whatever you get on our particular names.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
And you can call in right now, Bandhujan. We're testing your cognitive abilities.
Really?
In the sense that how much attention are you paying and how much English do you know?
Yeah?
No, not really. You just have to fill
Excuse
in
me,
one word.
You don't need to know any kind of English in this one.
Exactly.
Because most of the work is done by us already.
Huh.
All you have to do is just find that particular rhyming word to fit in.
Huh.
That is all. Start dialing in 408-912-2479. भगवान की दया से अगर हम आपका लाइन लग गया यहाँ पे
Huh.
तो आपको भी मुबारक देंगे कि आपका लाइन लग गया.
408-912-2479.
फालतू रानी.
तो मैं हमारे एक बंधु आना शर्मा जी. Hi. She said good
अच्छा.
evening. We hope it's going to be the best evening.
अच्छा एक मिनट बेटे ख्वाजा जी क्या आप ना बस फालतू रानी को बोलते हो स्वीट. Oh, by the way, no, my name is Altu Baba. The person talked about sweetness, so it must be me only, right?
Hello, over there it says Rani. They cannot.
Yeah. So that tell them, I am Altu Baba, not Faltu Rani. The sweet one, Altu Baba. What? You're hot and spicy. Nice? No?
No.
You didn't like it?
No.
Hot, sweet and sour, spicy?
No.
Okay, whatever you are, fine. Sweet. Altu Baba.
Okay, but those of
I'm
you.
100% right now. Bindle's going to write back to us and say, I meant that girl. I'm sure they'll do that. My kismat, mera kismat ऐसे होता है.
क्यों?
People mistake my aura to be on somebody else always.
No.
It's okay, it's fine.
I might just be okay, but the way you are, you make me look like the best.
Excuse me. Bin Jasar said that you're sweet after. Oh, thank you.
Really?
I don't know anything else in life right now. I'm done. Okay, I got my compliment for the day, and I'm going to sign out right now.
I don't see anything.
I see it already there. She said very clearly, yes, you're sweet, Anta Baba.
Oh my God.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Well, we have a Bandhu waiting line for Altrani. But my day goes wonderful. All the Bandhus keep calling us.
नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के लिमरिक थर्सडेज में। कौन है जी?
Hello, hi, Pam Pam. Hello. फोन किया तो डरना क्या?
गब्बर सिंह कह कर गया जो डर गया वो।
उसका कॉल गया।
हाँ, आपको अगर कॉल करना है 4089122479 पे कॉल करना है बंधुजान। एंड आना शर्मा जी कहती है तुम्हें आलतू बहुत वर्ड्स ऑफ विजडम दे रही है, एडवाइस दे रही है। वो कह रही है कि डोंट बी सो जेलस आलतू, यू आर हॉट एंड स्पाइसी एज वेल।
Wait. There was no mention of any words of wisdom.
Yeah.
There was oh my God. Look at the way you add the stuff there, Paswadi. You're 100% a street vendor.
Oh my God.
मसाला बहुत डाल दिया तू।
हाँ।
नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम में। Who's this? Hello.
Okay, we love you too. Thank you. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम में। कौन है जी? क्या है रे आलतू? क्या हो रहा है?
I think people are like, let me call them. No, let me not call them. Oh, let me call them. No, let me not call them. Oh, let me call them. Okay, I dial them.
Oh God.
I don't think I can take on the challenge. I'm nervous. I freeze.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You're serious?
It happens to the best of us, Altrani.
Okay,
Yeah.
Alto, so here's what we're going to do now.
Yeah, what are you
What
going
we're
to do?
going to do is I'm going to give out the next rhyme.
Oh, wonderful. That's good.
Okay, you guys have to just fill in. Oh God, you guys are like. What I meant was you're so chicken, my dear Bandhujan.
So full of protein.
So, what we want you to do is I'm going to give out the next limerick.
Uh-huh.
Okay? You have to come up with the word that or the phrase.
Yeah.
That kind of completes that limerick. Okay?
Wonderful. Good idea.
Okay, the number to call us at the studio. Number bata do, Altmia.
408-912-2479.
Okay, so.
Ek minute.
Huh.
408-912-2479.
408-912-2479. कौन है जी?
Hello. Hi, Pam Pam.
Hello, Pam Pam.
Who's this, Pam Pam?
Yes, Pam Pam.
Anil and Preeti here.
Oh, Anil and Preeti.
Oh!
How are you guys doing?
The Kumars.
I know, my God. By the way, Bandhujan, if you didn't know, this is actually Lovebirds of the Bay Area.
I know.
Wherever
seriously.
they go in twos only.
Yeah.
I know, seriously. So much of PD around, I tell you. It really is wonderful, actually.
Oh.
What? I'm talking about PD handheld devices. What are you talking about?
Oh, I thought you were talking
Everybody's
about
on
public
the
display
phone.
of
Excuse what?
affection.
So what?
Okay, by the way, they're married, so it's okay.
That's okay. Finally, you're back right now. Good. Congratulations, Anil and Preeti.
Yeah.
So right now, I want to ask you guys, ready for your challenge?
Huh.
Actually, we haven't heard any of it. We just sat in the car. We thought to say hi to you guys. So, what is the challenge? We can take the challenge.
That's the way, man. That's the way. Take on the challenge.
Exactly, man.
Head
We
on.
love you, man.
Yeah,
Anil,
man.
seriously, man.
Yeah, you guys are awesome. I just love you guys because you tuned in.
Yeah. Okay, so Anil, what we're doing, Anil and Preeti, what we're doing is today we're
हम
actually.
लोग आपके अंदर के जो शायर है ना उसको जगा रहे हैं,
हाँ.
उसको ललकार रहे हैं,
हाँ.
उसको हम लोग पत्थर फेंक रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं आ जा, उठ जा.
हाँ.
Okay?
हाँ.
So we'll give you a limerick. You got to complete the limerick. Okay?
You want to give a hard one or an easy one?
Both of them are there. Anil and Preeti, when they're together, like an awesome pair. Give an easy one here.
Okay. So you just have to say something that rhymes with the previous line, okay?
That's all, okay?
That's all you need to do. Okay? That completes the rhyme, okay? You said easy one, na?
Why not?
Okay. I'm going to give you something. 1 2 ka 4.
Wah, wah.
4 2 ka 1.
My God.
Pam Pam show. Fill in the blanks.
Hey,
Is the number one.
wow. I told you, when they come together, they're like jalwa.
I know.
They're like awesome. So Preeti and Anil, here's what you guys got to do. Go to our Facebook page, post it there, both of you together. Wait, we both of us separate email.
No. They can post it together. We'll send you both to Jai Bharat to enjoy some delicious khana.
Yeah, both of you should tag each other though.
Yeah, you have to actually.
Do they have a combined account? I don't know. Might be having
No, they have separate
They do
accounts.
everything together. They must have separate. They must have one account.
Yeah.
You guys don't have an Anil Love Preeti account?
Oh God.
No, they don't?
No.
They should create one.
Just create it.
Do that.
Good idea.
That's
No,
it.
yeah. No, please. We want 2 likes to our page, please.
Oh, that's true. No, keep it separate, please.
No, after that, there's a 3 likes. 2 separate accounts, 1 together.
God bless you anyways.
Yes.
Go do it right away and
Yeah,
make
but
your friends
gift is only
family.
one, huh?
Yeah, gift only is 1 by the way.
Yeah.
And we can take 1 divided by 3 also.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
We all go to the same pocket
He
anyways.
can have the.
Dal, she can get the roti.
No.
Or she can get the sweet and he can get something else.
Yeah, something
Don't worry, we'll figure something out for you guys anyways. And thank you so much for listening to us, dude.
Yeah, and please do post it on our Facebook page. Don't forget to hashtag I love Pam Pam and post it over there. Pam Pam show is the #1. Wow.
Oh, so sweet.
I was thinking of
Such
something else.
both, my God. You know, when these guys get together, they actually make some very nice, truthful statements.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो बाकी के जो हमारे बंधुजन है प्लीज होल्ड कीजिएगा क्योंकि एक ब्रेक में जाना पड़ेगा. We'll come back and take your calls. लेकिन अभी के लिए here's a break. Take your calls. लेकिन अभी के लिए here's a break.
Yes, but we're going to take a break for Facebook also. क्या आपको मालूम है हम ऑलवेज ब्रेक लेके वापस आते हैं लाइव होते हैं 5 बजे लाइव at 5.
Admission is free. Register online at flexcollegeprep.com.
Start collision